Hello people, so as you can tell from the title of the video, today I will be eating MREs. This one specifically is the spaghetti with beef and sauce. So I thought it only came with just the spaghetti, the beef, and the sauce, but apparently it's like a whole day's worth of calories and meals and stuff, or snacks. So let's see what's in there. I actually already opened it because I had my husband, who has had these, teach me how you're supposed to prep them and use them and all this stuff, but that was like a month ago, so we'll see if I remember. It all just comes in a little baggie inside this bag. Okay, so this is the spaghetti. It has the spaghetti with beef and the sauce. This is 260 calories. It's not bad, not bad. Next we have milk chocolate. This is a cocoa beverage powder for 140 calories. Next we have raisins osmotic. I wasn't sure what this is, but I think he said this this is like a cereal, I think. Not sure, we'll find out. And this is your bread. This is your snack bread. Snack bread. Oh, the raisins osmotic, that is 140 calories. And this one is 190 calories. That's the bread. And here we have a toaster pastry, a chocolate chip. This one is 210 calories. And then you have your peanut butter that you can put on your bread, on your toast. And the grape jelly, so you can make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And then this is all like seasonings and stuff. A napkin. Okay, cool. Napkin. The raspberry flavor. Ooh, it comes with gum when you're done eating. A moist towelette. And some salt. And now this bad boy is the important thing. So this is what heats up your meals. So when I watched some other people try MREs, I noticed nobody actually used this. They kind of just opened everything and ate it. So I was very specifically taught and told how to use this. So it has instructions on here anyway, so you know, we're gonna need this. Holding MRE pouch and heater above lines on bag, pour water into the bag until it reaches. I'm confused. Okay. Reach a level between the lines right here. Open this up. I hope those little balls are not toxic. Okay, tear off top of the bag. Boom, done. Place MRE pouch in the bag. Oh, okay. This is where we get the spaghetti. What the fuck is a spaghetti? I lost my spaghetti. Raisin. Chocolate chip. Where the oh my god, it's right here. I was looking for a brown bag. Okay, so this is gonna go in there. Gotta reach in there for the little heater. Okay, cool. I got it. I think I got it. Okay. If I don't, well, I'm sure nothing's wrong gonna happen. Whatever. Okay, so pour water in there. And then slide them down. Hold this bad boy. Oh. Am I supposed to like shake it? I feel like I remember my husband telling me to shake it. Okay, so then we gotta go like this. Right. Okay, it just says just to keep it inclined so that this water doesn't spill. And we just wait for, ooh, it's getting warm. Oh, what, after 10 to 15 minutes? I feel we're getting hot. But if I shake it, should I shake it? Okay. I guess we're gonna have to wait. Could I have put other stuff in there? I kind of want to lay it somewhere. I think I'm gonna lay it on my floor, kind of like against my desk like this. Or we do something else. Let me tape it. I'm sure nothing bad's gonna happen. So I'm gonna just tape it real quick. So I guess we're gonna start with some dessert. Ooh, let's try the chocolate milk, or the milk chocolate. Okay, 6 ounces of hot or cold water. Let's try it. Okay, so we're gonna open this. Should have a trash bag. Bam. Fill to the line. Shit. Oh, I don't even have a cap. Fill it to like the line. How do I know if it reaches the line? They should make these clear so that I could see how far I'm going. Okay. That feels about right. First, I'm gonna shake it. to be served. You have to consume it within an hour. What happens if you don't? I'm gonna go get a straw. I got the straw. It's a silicone straw because we're saving turtles this year. That's not bad. It tastes like actual chocolate milk with actual milk and everything. Ugh. I should have mixed it a little better though. Still some powder in there. See, that's a little chocolatey. I'm gonna have to put a bit more. Super sweet. It's good though. Fuck with it. Let's try other things. Okay, so now I'm gonna make my raspberry drink that I can have with everything else that I'm gonna eat. So we have the beverage-based raspberry. Pretty sure it doesn't have any instructions, so it just probably just goes in water. I don't want to waste all my water. Smells good. Smells promising. Yeah, like any other raspberry flavor. Okay, I'm gonna have that while I'm having my spaghetti later, so that's gonna be saved for later. Okay, I'm gonna see what the raisins osmic is. I don't know what it is. I'm pretty sure it's like an oatmeal thing. Oh my god, it's making me burp. I don't really like raisins, so I'm gonna see how this goes. Oh, it's just raisins. Osmotic. What's osmotic? Okay. It's just raisins. They're not bad. I actually haven't had raisins in a long time, so they're actually not that bad. That's not very interesting. It's raisins. Okay, so now let's try. The chocolate chip cookie will stay for later. And this jelly feels super liquidy. I'm gonna make the PB&J because the spaghetti's taking forever. I don't think this is good no more. Does it have mold? Oh no. That looks like mold. Right there. Should I just try it anyways? It smells like Pop-Tarts. Oh, it's not mold. Okay, I picked at it. It's just a little seed. Okay, cool, because it's a multi-grain. Okay, cool. Okay, so I got the peanut butter. Yep, that's peanut butter. Damn, this bitch is thick. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna break this in half, make it into a sandwich. And I get that jelly. See? It's so liquidy. Spread that out with my finger because I'm not serving it to anybody besides me, myself, and I. It's so dry. This bread. It's like a biscuit. I don't like that. The bread is very dry. It's so dry, it's literally choking me. It really feels hot at the bottom where the water is. So how's the rest of my food supposed to get hot? You know what? I give up though. It says need MRE to ensure uniform temperature. Are the fumes toxic? No, I doubt it. Oh, this smells terrible. It smells like my husband's boots. I'm actually gonna go rinse this under the sink real quick. Only this little bit got hot. The rest is still very cold. So I'm trying to knead it to see if that helps a little bit, but I'm basically just gonna eat out of this corner just to try it. You can use this like a hot pocket. Oh, look at that. Can you see that? That's spaghetti for you. First bite. That's what it looks like good old spaghetti. Smells. Is this expired? That tastes really bad. Oh. Bro, when does this shit expire? That is disgusting. If this is not expired and this is how it tastes, I am so sorry. And yeah, I'm sorry you guys have to eat this. It does come with salt, but salt will not fix it. 100% will not fix it. That should taste expired. Okay. Next we got the chocolate chip cookie, or not cookie, toaster pastry, toaster strudel basically. Oh, this is pretty. Okay, this is kind of cute. This is what she looks like. Smells good. 210 calories. That's good. I actually like this. This would taste really good. Eat it up. I'm definitely finishing that later. 100%. That's super good. I'm gonna take my napkin. Oh, it's several napkins. Okay, cool. I didn't eat it. Oh my god, that is so good. That's the best thing in this thing. Let me have the gum. Should I try it? I'll try it. It's just gum, I'm pretty sure. Ooh, it smells like cinnamon. The audacity. Give him some of my dry ass bread. I had to give him some of this fucking bread, and not even my dog ate it. Yeah, cinnamon. Gum is gum. It's good. Can never go wrong with gum. Any flavor. Truly, you can't mess up gum, so at least that I'm proud of. Okay, guys, that was me trying an MRE. This is, again, the spaghetti with beef and sauce. Would not recommend the actual spaghetti, but this damn cookie, 100% would recommend. Okay, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.